and welcome to break 4036 for the 2020 Panini XR football card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Sunday, December 20th, 2020. It is 10:28 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:28 p.m. Central Time, and 7:28 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Brian 2 spots, Nichno 8, Costa 2, Fish 1, Jewel 2, Shan 1, Japri 2, C Walker 1, B with 3, Abby's Dad 1, Phi with 2, Nat 2, Kohambe 1, Stop 1, Rec 1, 705161, and STCon with 1 spot. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to break. Brian on top. STCon on the bottom once. Twice. 3 times 4. 5. 6. And lucky number 7 has Fish on top. 70516 on the bottom. Fish with the Cardinals, Nichno Falcons, Ravens, Jewel Bills, Den with the Panthers, Nichno Bears, B with the Bengals, Jewel with the Browns, Brian with the Cowboys, Nat with the Broncos, Lions, Nichno Packers, Texans, Colts, Phi with the Jaguars, Kyle's the Chiefs, Kohambe Raiders, Abby's Dad Chargers, Japri Rams, Kyle's the Dolphins, B with the Vikings, Stop with the Patriots, C Walker Saints, Japri Giants, Nichno Jets, Eagles, Rec with the Steelers, Brian 49ers, Phi with the Seahawks, STCon Buccaneers, B Titans, and last but not least 70516 with Washington. So whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. We'll have 2 packs, 7 cards. And all 14 cards will ship. Pack number 1. Pack number 2. And Jalen Hurts is on fire. All right. Pack number 1. Pack number 2. Seriously. Okay. Well, let's just jump right into whatever we have over here. We have a rookie excellence Green Bay Packers A.J. Dillon, 1 of 1. Very nice for the Green Bay Packers. At the top of his hat. Very cool. So we'll start off with a Green Bay Packers 1 out of 1 A.J. Dillon rookie baseball hat, football hat. Marlon Mack, Indianapolis Colts. Bobby Wagner and Seattle. Kyler Murray at a 249, Arizona. We have 2 Kyler Murrays. He balled out today. We have a rookie, Antonio Gandy Golden, Washington rookie. 52 out of 99. Then we have rookie DeAndre Swift and the Detroit Lions. All right, pretty nice pack number 1 to start us off with the 1 out of 1 A.J. Dillon. Chris Godwin, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Stephen Gilmore, Patriots. Patriots not making the playoffs the first time in, what was it, 12 years? Pretty wild. It's been nothing but a weird year. David Montgomery. 46 out of 249. Big day today. More basketball breaks are coming this week. Davius White, Buffalo Bills at a 199. Joshua Kelly, a rookie jersey, Chargers, number 5 out of 25. Vortex, Joshua Kelly, very nice. Then we have Josh Allen, Red Hot Buffalo Bills, 1 out of 3. Very nice Buffalo Bills. So we got a 1 out of 3, 1 out of 1. Pretty nice box we got going on here. And then last but not least, we have Kenneth Murray and the Chargers, a rookie. All right, sweet. Let's go back through and see who is getting what. Starting with Kenneth Murray and the Chargers and Joshua Kelly. Chargers going to Abby's dad, 61,500. Congrats. So we have Josh Allen, Buffalo Bills, 1 out of 3. And Tre'Davious White out of 199. So the Buffalo Bills. Joe Pie 5786. Congrats. David Montgomery at a 249. Chicago Bears, Niche No, congrats. Gilmore and the Patriots. Patriots, do stop 12, congrats. Chris Godwin, Buccaneers. STCon 2507, congrats. DeAndre Swift, Detroit Lions, a rookie. That's going to Nat. Congrats, Nat. Washington football team. All the way at the bottom. 70516. Congrats. Kyler Murray out of 199 and 249. Arizona Cardinals going to Fishon. Congrats. Bobby Wagner, Seattle Seahawks. Bye. Congrats. Marlon Mack, Indianapolis Colts. Going to Niche No, congrats. And then last but not least, our 1 of 1 rookie excellence. Top of the baseball hat. 1 of 1 auto rookie A.J. Dillon, who has the Green Bay Packers. Right there. Niche No 283. Congrats. And that was break 4036 for the 2020 Panini XR football card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break. And all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph football mini helmet. And up next is break number 4017 for the 2020 Clearly Authentic. Thanks.